Hiya, welcome to one of our quick fix videos, and I hope you find this helpful. So this only works with Aqualtis Hotpoint machines, and it's when you can't get your door open basically. Yeah. First thing to do is check the machine is sort of level. Yeah. Unplug it. Yeah, so you've got no power supply to it. Lock the end up with some kitchen towel and duct tape everything on, so when you do what I'm going to do, nothing moves. So I've rung customer support up. Perhaps a fortune for a new door, but what somebody did suggest on there, if you've got a bar like this, neighbours lent me it. They've suggested first option to minimise the damage is to stick it in there and pull. Apparently it works. Yeah, there you go. So if you want to open the door on your Aqualtis washing machine, it's just, well, it's done. You literally get one of these, which is taking floorboards up, and you just do that with it. Don't forget, make sure your machine's level. Make sure you've got the drain pipe unplugged, duct tape down. Now, like ours, this has been in there a few days, so the only danger with this is the mould, which we're fine with. So let's just run through this again. You've got a door that won't open on a washing machine. Unplug it, block the end up so you don't get any water. Make sure it's level. Yeah. Get your crowbar. This only works on Aqualtis machines. Yeah, because a lot of other machines are better well built than this, so you just won't get it in there. And just prise it open. And you see there's no damage to the lock there or there, so it works. Anyway, it's a quick fix for you. Hope that helps.